Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming account and access quickly. Sign into Google Ads Manager with the admin user, then link the client customer ID you'll manage. Once done, add a billing profile and one verified payment method so campaigns can run without interruption. Make sure conversion goals and site tracking permissions are documented now. These shape campaign structure. This front-loading saves time because you'll use those ID, billing details, and goals immediately when building accounts and importing assets. Next, you set the architecture. Create or link client accounts under your manager, then establish naming rules so you can spot campaigns at a glance. Choose campaign types based on goals, search for direct intent, display for reach, and assign budgets at the account or campaign level for pacing. Implement conversion tags and audience lists now so reporting is accurate. Once audiences are collecting, reuse assets from the shared library to scale creatives and keep iterations consistent across accounts. To complete setup, activate automated bidding strategies and set target ROAS or CPA to automate cost efficiency. Run a/B experiments for headlines and creatives. Monitor key metrics daily, impressions, CTR, conversions, and make iterative adjustments to keywords and audiences based on signal. If something breaks, troubleshoot logically. Verify conversion tags are firing, confirm manager permissions and client billing status, and review recent policy alerts. This order isolates the usual cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.